A $7 million goat scandal shaking Zimbabwe. Chimombe and Mpofu denied bail. Zimbabwean businessmen Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu found themselves behind bars, facing serious fraud charges. Accused of misappropriating $7 million from the presidential goat scheme, the duo allegedly forged critical documents to win the tender. Sabc investigating officer Henry Chapwanya highlighted the public outrage and potential protests if bail were granted, labelling them flight risks. Gamuchira Zimunhu, another Sabc officer, echoed these concerns, emphasising the threat to national peace ahead of the SADC summit. With over $7 million at stake and only a fraction in actual goats delivered, this case underscores the serious consequences of corruption in Zimbabwe. Stay tuned and watch this story unfold. Comment down below your thoughts. And don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS.